Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Marion, local and long-distance movers near me. With so many moving companies in the industry, you would think that finding a reliable one would be a walk in the park. However, that's not the case, as most companies charge high rates but provide substandard services. You could find a cheaper company as well, but what matters is the quality of the services that you get. 3 Movers is a company that lives by its word. We offer high-quality services that meet all your needs. Our prices are not the cheapest, but we make sure you get all what you pay for. Besides, we make sure you meet all the rules and regulations set by regulatory bodies. Our team will analyze your needs and conduct both pre- and post-move tasks. This way, you can focus on more demanding things to make sure everything runs smoothly. Most people underestimate local moves and end up being overwhelmed when the time of moving comes. Although moving within Marion, Iowa may be as complicated as interstate moves, it is still essential to plan. Planning helps you set everything in place and have a smooth and stress-free moving process, irrespective of whether it's local or long distance. If you don't want to go through the hassle of packing, labeling, loading, unloading, and unpacking your belongings, then 3 Movers can take that off your shoulders, and we're here to assist. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Marion moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.